Should I say hi? No. My name is Stine Aas. I'm a furniture designer based in Bergen. I've designed the land collection for Herman Miller, and I'm here at the MillerKnoll Archives to show you some designs that are inspiring to me. Since I work a lot with wood, I really appreciate the detailing on these stools. I've seen some really nice photos of drawings and models that Ray made. And I really love how honest and versatile these stools are. The Eamses were a very versatile and valued craft, which I really identify with. I love this table by Rohde. When I first saw it, I was super fascinated by it, and I love the combination between the soft ending of the legs versus the very hard cutouts. I can really appreciate this kind of low stretcher that you can rest your feet against, which is something that I've adapted in my own table for Herman Miller. This dresser by Florence Knoll I think is really beautiful. I know that she used to reference her work as fillers between the stars, but I think she has in all her work a very strong attention to detail. And I really love how she has tilted the drawers so that the handles become integrated. Yeah, I think it's really a nice example of form follows function. I wanted to talk about the Eames plywood chair. In your formative years, you kind of discover things that open your mind or that changes the way you see things. And that was one of the first designs that really helped me understand what design is about. It's a really good example of exploiting or using the material's properties. All the pieces has its function and they relate to each other in a very beautiful sculptural way. It has a lot of character and I think it's a really beautiful chair.